Even with a cone, it can't stop its passion for adventure. It's like a real ninja. Crawling backward under the sofa, then a surprise attack. That's the kitten's unique stealth and attack technique.
Every morning it's the same concert.
Oh, God.
She's way better at this than she should be.
Parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour! This is parkour.
Doing something bad. Did you already do something bad?
These adorable
So he's getting fully in.
This is what happens when a cat really wants a snack.
One minute peace, next minute emergency rescue. Life with cats is never predictable.
Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy.
Just a Frenchie figuring out evolution.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Oh, he's just put his head down. Oh, hello.
All for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more cute animal moments. See you next time.
When it comes to one of these, right?
Oh,
Who needs gates when you've got a brain like this?
He pays the rent, but the cat owns the property. When the cat turns a cardboard box into its favorite toy.
Oh, what the hell? Oh.
Yoda.
Why is this ride so short?
Kittens also love Tom and Jerry. They must be learning mouse catching tips. After watching these super
Tai, who's your best friend?
experience,
New attire at the Weeping Fox Ranch for this Hereford bull.
This kitten is drinking milk so enthusiastically. Seeing it full makes my heart melt.
No, no, no. Ow. 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 Ow.
for their burrows to protect them from heat and predators.
order free window cleaning? That's it for today. Most people watching are already...
Me trying to stay focused during a meeting.
This feels like the beginning of a very expensive problem.
You'll get the job.
Two seconds outside and he's done.
Bobby, stop.
There's always one that just has to make it a whole thing.
Look at this fat, giant, morbidly obese squirrel.
Climbing non-stop. This kitten must be exploring its own universe, so cute. Even cleaning the house isn't peaceful with this kitten. Perhaps it's helping its owner clean in its own special way.
Laura, what are you doing?
Somehow the back engine isn't working, so the fluffy boat depends entirely on the front ones to function.
He's not looking for the easy way.
This kitten really loves hide and seek. Wonder if it'll fall asleep in there.
Looks like we've got a possum fitness influencer here.
Huh? You know you have a good guard dog when you come in to see this.
That guard dog's working overtime to protect others' sleep.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you have time to talk about...
She did not sign up for this.
Oh no, Bear is just taking his mobile buffet to a more private location.
Anya, what do you think?
When it comes to sharing.
I opened the fridge to get him food.
The smallest bandit with the biggest snack plan.
They're young, that's why their intrusive thoughts always win.
It's okay, Flynn.
打他吗？
哎呦，哈欠！哎呦哎呦，上爪子了，谢谢。
Friends, trust me, you're gonna love today's video.
Does this kitten want a buffet or something, tossing food onto the floor like this? Don't worry, the owner will clean it all up for you.
Hi everyone! Today I'm bringing you a collection of unusual animal videos. The cutest, the most talented, and of course, those hilarious moments no
This pup just raised the bar.
Shut the door.
Little thing too. Okay, now I'm motivated to buy it.
Yes.
This kitten really loves hide and seek. Wonder if it'll fall asleep in there.
Hello?
Oh, there's a turn on.
This kitten really loves hide and seek. Wonder if it'll fall asleep in there.
No! I said no. Do not.
I don't, not quite. Oh, there we go.
Warning, moving your leg is now strictly forbidden by forest law.
Are you wet? Well, you're wet because you kept playing in your pool and now it's cold.
Hey! Get out of there!
Who left this little one stuck here? Or is she playing hide and seek, falling asleep between the bars?
Albino alligators are incredibly rare, making this a very unusual sight. People always forget how strong big dogs are, until moments like this.
Warning, moving your leg is now strictly forbidden by forest law.
Little guy, master of solo play.
Do not, I said. No.
Super mischievous, right? Does your cat have any interesting, energetic, and destructive stories? Share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your...
Did you know kangaroos are super buff? Those muscles aren't just for show. This dog could replace a washing machine.
Leo, bang. Stay.
Looks like someone forgot something important out here.
Dale, buscala, que está lloviendo. Dale.
No pasa nada, venga. Ay, pues ya va cagado.
And the club's won.
Seeing a whole family of elephants cross the road like this is pretty rare. Even the safari guide said this was a first for them.
Oh my God.
No pasa nada, venga. Ay, pues ya va cagado.
Look at the little one finding its cat mom for milk. This love is so sweet, proving that love knows no barrier.
I'm John Seven Duck.
This pup's training for the Canine Cirque du Soleil.
The laziest road trip ever.
Oh my.
For the love of God.
Run away, baby. The fuck must follow you. You better get away, get away.
To your hats, folks. This show is about to begin.
Bust a move. Come here. Bust a move. Bust a move.
The humpback whales call it bubble net feeding. Their teamwork is magnificent.
This kitten is so eager to catch birds but keeps missing. So incredibly adorable.
Out here, everyone's got their own way of doing.
He's gonna tap his head.
The kitten's surprising leap. She must have seen something super exciting in the next room.
When your personal trainer is a Ford Explorer with a siren. Living with a German Shepherd is like living with a fuzzy freight train.
Dog owners know silence usually means something terrible happened.
No kisses on the face. Paisley.
Doggo doesn't bite, he only smiles.
King, even trying to pretend not to see him, but the anxiety is clear on his face. So adorable.
Angry me when hearing someone say my favorite artist is a flop.
The cat is dragging its bed around. Probably wants a new view or just a different sleeping spot. Wow, peak climbing skills. This must be a superhero kitten to do this.
Parkour!
The cat is redecorating the wall in an app.
Băi! Bă! Dă-i jos de acolo! Tu-ți gura mătii.
Looks like he's ready for the equine FBI.
The snack disappeared. And so did his understanding.
Teamwork at its cutest.
Good protector.
Cat, your owner isn't doing anything, just walking by. Such an adorable, affectionate moment. The puppy seems to be saying, "I love you so much, cat mom." The gray cat must have softened up too.
Living that royal Frenchie life.
That's going a bit far.
Hello?
Expectation, Winter Wonderland. Reality, Pillow Apocalypse.
These molecules persistently undergo a cycle of separating and then merging.
Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy.
What a great big brother. This cat not only knows how to open cabinets, but also knows how to share food with his doggy sibling.
When the local wildlife is more concerned about recycling than your neighbors.
Cats are supposedly afraid of water, but this one's different. Maybe it's training to be a fisherman, or just enjoying a cool...
In the seahorse world, it's the males who give birth to the babies.
The cat decided to turn the toilet into a...
Goose came and scared away this gorilla. Vai. Vieni dietro. Non troppo.
Somebody wants all the hugs. One look is enough to know. This house had a very productive day.
Are you listening? Sasha?
You said no more swimming, so I'm dipping, Mom.
Sasha, look at Mom.
Where's Harley? Peekaboo! Where's Harley?
Such an adorable, affectionate moment. The puppy seems to be saying, "I love you so much, cat mom." The gray cat must have softened up too.
Charlie, is this your Charlie, is this your laptop?
She has in her kennel, and I look over. I've never seen this toy before. Because it's a block of ice from the backyard. God. And I lied. Oh God, Odin. Odin. Oh God. Yes.
The cats are all waiting, and there's Jeff. Jeff's just like waiting with the cats.
Jeff politely invited himself to dinner. Looks like the start of a new friendship. Can't go anywhere without his favorite toy.
Well, looks like someone needs to invest in some mini hiking boots.
They said good morning back, just differently.
Just making sure the cat is real.
Yeah, Minnie, pet the cat. Pet the cat. Good.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
For their burrows, to protect them from heat and predators.
Hello. Thanks for watching and joining our
Living that royal Frenchie life.
She has in her kennel, and I look over. I've never seen this toy before. Because it's a block of ice from the backyard.
They're stealing wool right off the ram's back. Huh.
This kind of revenge is truly next level. In the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next adorable moments. Crawling backward under the sofa, then a surprise attack. That's the kitten's unique stealth and attack technique.
Sarama Rooster, the smallest chicken in the world, with the biggest attitude. Jaguars can adapt to almost any environment, from dense rainforests to wetlands and open land. Pure happiness apparently smells like grass and nap time.
Uma.
In my mouth.
Dogs and cats. It's complicated. You thought it was his favorite spot. Nope, that's his button. For a bite. But that's not happening.
It's the toilet paper war again. This kitten must have some kind of grudge against toilet paper to shred it like that.
Get off. Kitty, get down.
He's actually enjoying this way too much.
Get.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Which cat moment made you laugh or melt the most? Share your feelings and fun.
I've never seen a goat get so scared of falling off a 2-inch cliff.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh!
Oh, it's a mischievous sock thief. His mom must be utterly fed up with this game by now.
These students visited an elephant sanctuary, and this elephant slapped a phone away.
Oh! Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
He wanted the phone. What's taking us?
Hang on a second. Is this what I think it is? Is this a sweet treat? Because it looks...
Hey, you two.
This way. Come on.
Cats never miss an opportunity to be chaotic.
Animal moments.
That's not a bird feeder anymore. It's a bear snack dispenser.
Drama, but this cat chose peace, patience, and a little puppy love.
Slowly touch. Good.
He joins in so gently, like he's saying, "Don't worry, I'll fit."
Well, looks like someone needs to invest in some mini hiking boots. Sir, prepare. We're about to have liftoff.
Sit.
I'm 90%.
Shifty cat eyes behind